We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned that if you want to look for buy, let the price drop. We get this one. Price broke this low, but haven't tested this one yet. Okay, no. What's the next? We're looking for buy. When I mentioned that, no, the only thing is whether we need to look for buy from here, or still we can expect to get the correction here for one move down before we look for buy, because we want to see how deep this one can go, or even maybe we get the correction here similar to what we have here for one move down. Okay, no, if we want to trade, I mean, if we consider this is a start of the up move, we need to get the correction here, flag at least, maybe similar to what we had here. Then if we take, and if we get, we can take the trade, and if we take the trade, as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade, because of the possibility the price can this level drop. Then we need to see whether it moves sharp or corrective. If this is really corrective, we don't take the trade, or even we take the trade, we just take out and we close the trade. All right, because as I say, the possibility the price over the bigger correction for the next move down. Okay, in this case, if you move to lower time frame, 15 minutes. Okay, and is there any possibility that, because whatever right now I was talking about the 1 hour chart, if we get the small flag here based on 15 minutes, we buy. We don't have a maybe this kind of the flag, because we need to see whether we get the similar to what I draw here or this type of the flag. It depends. All right, but to trade based on a 15 minute, it depends on the traders and their skills. All right, but anyone, if we get this correction here, if anyone wants to trade this, as long as the price comes to this level, they need to start to manage, because we need to see whether this one can give us one move down. Okay, based on 15 minutes. If we zoom in, all right, okay, can we give this one again for one move down? Also, we need to be aware of this. Anyway, it depends on the traders. And if we move to 1 hour chart, now the question was that whether the price can start from here or we get one move down before we take the buy. And if the price drop, is better for us to look for trade, and even especially if the price come and test this low. And if the price wants to reverse from here, start to move from here, we need to get the correction similar to what we are here already. And beside that, I mentioned that maybe the price can drop, give us a bigger correction for next move down, all right, or similar to this. That means we need to be aware that price, if it's not moving really fast, even the price come to this level, still we can expect one move down. And now the thing is, how about if the price sharply continue, will it give us a trade setup? Then from there, if the price continue, we need to see if the price come to this level and we see there is no reversal, we just let it go. That means even the price start from here with the trade setup, we are not going to trade it. From there, we will have two options: wait for the next drop to buy, or if we didn't get the drop, the price continue, break the top, then any correction above the top we buy, because at that time we want to confirm this correction is finished. Okay, what I want to say, if the price continue, we didn't get any trade setup, we don't jump into the trade, especially here. But if for those traders, they trade based on lower time frame, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, because everyone have a different skill. This is a different, because now we're talking about the 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart. Okay, based on bigger correction. All right, now we move to the daily chart. Nothings, we are within this correction. And 4 hour chart, as I explained in my last video when the price was within this one, I mentioned that we expecting to get a bigger correction. And when I mentioned May, we get similar to what we have here. Now we're getting, can we, this one can drop more? Yeah, it still can, because we're looking for this. But right now we have this. Any buy, we take it. As long as the price comes to this level, we start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we just take out the trade. We wait for the next drop. Then from there, we take the trade. Okay. And if I move to 1 hour chart again, nothing. Just we need to see whether we can get any trade setup from here or not. If we take it, we just try to manage it. And if the price drop lower, even it's better for us. We can get better trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.